Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss how to glue super strong slippers. Have a good time watching. How are you today? I hope your day is always. First, we clean the area using sandpaper until the area is clean. Have you subscribed to my channel? I would like to say a very big thank you to those who have subscribed to my channel. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, I really hope you subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. Please leave a comment in the column below. We provide a place for making super glue. We use vehicle gasoline. Then we use styrofoam cut into small pieces. Once cut, put it in petrol and see the reaction for yourself. Mix well. Then add brown glue. Then put glue on two sides of the part. We use old tires on bicycles. Cut two pieces to form a rope. Take a board that is the same size. Place the board on top, then tie it with the rubber rope. After I lift, wait at least 1 hour. Let's clean it first. Now let's try it. What do you think? The results are very strong, right? That's all my video. I hope you always have a nice day and see you again in the next video.